Dear viewers, our U.S. citizenship interview is not just about 100 civics questions, English reading or writing test, or the vocabulary from your N-400 application. The moral character test is now more important than ever under the new USCIS policy. Officers can ask moral questions in many parts of your interview, and one wrong answer could cost you. That's why, in this mock interview, we've included lots of moral character questions throughout the process, so you can be fully prepared. Watch carefully from start to finish because every section matters. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.
Sophia Emilia?
Yes, that's me.
Good morning. My name is Jonathan Hayes. I'll be conducting your naturalization interview today. Please come in and remain standing. Before we begin the interview, I'll need to place you under oath. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Please take a seat.
Thank you.
How did you come here today?
I came by Uber.
How was the traffic this morning?
It wasn't bad. It took me about 25 minutes to get here.
That's good to hear. Did you study for the Citizenship Test?
Yes, I did. It's an important interview for me.
Can I get your green card, your appointment notice, and any of your state-issued ID?
Sure. Here they are.
Thank you. Did anyone come here with you?
No, I came by myself.
Did anyone assisted you to complete your N-400 application form?
No, I did that myself.
How are you feeling?
A bit nervous, but prepared.
That's great. Okay. Do you have any questions before we start?
No.
Did you have any trouble finding our location?
No, it was quite easy.
Remember, you're under oath. Everything you say must be truthful. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
What is your date of birth?
June 14th, 1989.
What's your email address?
My email address is sophia1987@gmail.com.
Where were you born?
Guadalajara, Mexico.
What is your full legal name?
My full name is Sophia Emilia Duarte.
Have you ever used any other names, nicknames, or names in your native language?
No.
Please spell your last name.
Duarte.
What is your social security number?
It's 860 697 60 686.
What's your contact number?
It's 901 469 8640.
What is your current U.S. address?
892 Willowbrook Drive, Apartment 10B, Dallas, Texas, 75243.
How long have you lived there?
About 5 years.
Where did you live before this address?
104 Riverbend Lane, Fort Worth, Texas, from 2014 to 2019.
Do you own your home or rent it?
We rent the apartment.
Can you tell me your landlord's name or property company?
Yes, it's managed by Willowbrook Realty Management.
Are you married?
Yes, officer.
What's your husband's legal status?
He is a U.S. citizen.
Can you show me your marriage certificate?
Sure. Here they are.
Thank you. What is your spouse's full name?
My husband's full name is Gabriel Andres Duarte.
Do you have children?
Yes, we have 2 children.
What are their names and ages?
My daughter Camila, age 11, and my son Mateo, age 8.
Where were they born?
Both were born in Dallas and are U.S. citizens.
Can you please show me your children's birth certificates?
Sure. Here they are.
Thank you. Where do your children go to school?
Camila attends Lakeview Middle School and Mateo is at Oak Ridge Elementary.
How many times have you been married?
I have been married once.
How many times has your spouse been married?
He has been married for once.
What is your spouse's occupation?
He works as an electrician for Lone Star Power Solution.
What's your husband's date of birth?
He was born on November 9th, 1983.
Have you filed taxes every year since becoming a permanent resident?
Yes, I have.
Do you file jointly with your spouse or separately?
We file jointly.
Do you currently owe any back taxes?
No, but in 2017, I filed late because of a family emergency. I paid the penalty immediately.
What kind of bank accounts do you maintain?
Checking and savings accounts at Chase Bank.
Do you own a vehicle?
Yes, a Toyota Camry 2019, fully insured.
Okay. Were any of your parents married before your age of 18?
No.
Do your parents live in the United States?
No, they live in Guadalajara, Mexico.
Do you have brothers or sisters in the U.S.?
Yes. My younger brother lives in San Antonio, Texas.
What is your current occupation?
I am a registered nurse at Dallas General Hospital.
Did you study in the U.S.?
Yes. I completed a Bachelor of Science in Nursing at the University of Texas at Arlington, graduating in 2014.
Do you work full-time or part-time?
Full-time.
What are your responsibilities?
My responsibilities cover patient care, administering medications, coordinating with doctors, and maintaining medical records.
Please provide your workplace address.
1600 Medical Plaza Drive, Dallas, Texas, 75201.
When did you start working there?
In October 2019.
Where did you work before this job?
Valley Health Clinic, 920 Green Street, Fort Worth, from 2015 to 2019.
What shift do you normally work?
Mostly evening shifts, sometimes weekends.
What year did you first come to the United States?
In 2009 on a student visa.
Have you taken any foreign trips since you become a permanent resident?
Yes, officer.
How many trips abroad have you taken in the last 5 years?
I had 2 trips.
Where was your last trip?
My last trip was to Mexico.
When was your second trip?
That was from July 2018 to February 2019.
That's over 6 months. Did you maintain ties to the U.S.?
Yes, my husband and children remained in Dallas.
What was the reason for that long stay?
I stayed in Mexico for 7 months when my father had surgery.
Okay. Is there any international trip after submitting your N-400 application?
No.
Have you ever stayed outside the U.S. for over 1 year?
No.
Did you ever miss work or school because of your trips?
Yes, I took unpaid leave for my trips, but returned to work as scheduled.
Where was your first trip?
My first trip was to Mexico.
What was the date of your first trip?
It was from December 2016 to February 2017.
What was the reason of your first trip?
I went to Mexico to care for my grandmother.
How long did you stay?
About 2 months.
Have you ever applied for a re-entry permit when you were abroad?
No, officer.
All right. We will now move on to the civics test. This part is about U.S. history, government, and some important principles of our Constitution. I'm going to ask you up to 10 questions, and you'll need to answer at least 6 correctly to pass. Please answer as clearly as you can. If you do not understand a question, tell me and I will repeat or explain it. Do you have any questions before we start?
No, officer.
Okay. Are you ready to begin?
Yes, officer.
Please listen carefully to each question. Who did the United States fight in World War II?
Japan, Germany, and Italy.
Why does the flag have 13 stripes?
Because there were 13 original colonies.
What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance?
The United States.
How many amendments does Constitution have?
27.
When is the last day you can send in federal income tax forms?
April 15th.
Who was president during the Great Depression and World War II?
Franklin Roosevelt.
What ocean is on the east coast of the United States?
Atlantic Ocean.
What is the name of the national anthem?
The Star-Spangled Banner.
What did the Emancipation Proclamation do?
Freed the slaves.
What ocean is on the west coast of the United States?
Pacific Ocean.
Great! You have passed the civics test. Now I am going to ask you some questions about your background, organizations, and personal history to know your moral character. These questions are very important because they help us determine your eligibility for U.S. citizenship. It is important that you answer honestly. Some of these questions may be about crimes, taxes, or organizations. Even if your answer is yes, it does not always mean you cannot become a citizen. But I need you to tell the truth. Remember, you are under oath. So, everything you say must be true. Do you understand?
Yes, officer.
If you don't understand a question, please let me know, and I'll explain that. Okay?
Okay.
Have you ever had insurance issues related to traffic accidents?
Yes, in 2019, I was rear-ended. My insurance handled the case, and it was settled.
Have you ever failed to support your spouse or children?
No, never.
Have you ever advocated the overthrow of any government in anywhere in the world by force or violence?
No.
Have you ever forced sexual activity on anyone?
No, officer.
Have you ever served in the military or police of another country?
No, I have never served in the military or police of another country.
Have you ever been convicted of a crime or offense?
No, I have never been convicted of a crime or offense.
What is convicted?
Found guilty in court.
Have you ever been married to more than one person at once?
No, never.
Have you ever been charged with a crime?
No.
Have you ever been involved in illegal drugs like selling, smuggling, or using?
No.
Have you ever been in a moral dilemma where family needs conflicted with U.S. law?
No.
Have you ever done sabotage?
No.
What is sabotage?
Destroy or damage on purpose.
Have you ever seriously injured or tried to injure anyone?
No.
Have you ever been placed in jail or prison?
No, I have never been in jail or prison.
Have you ever failed to pay rent, loans, or credit card bills?
Yes. Once in 2015, I missed a credit card payment, but I paid the fee and corrected it.
Have you ever had to enforce the law in your family?
No, officer.
Have you ever supported a group using weapons or explosives?
No, officer.
Have you ever been a habitual drunkard?
No, I have never been a habitual drunkard.
Have you ever been on probation, parole, or had a suspended sentence?
No, officer.
Have you ever married someone only to get immigration benefits?
No, I have never married someone just to get an immigration benefit.
What is immigration benefit?
Legal status or right from immigration.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, or detained by law enforcement?
Yes, I received 2 traffic tickets.
Tell me about them.
In April 2018, I was cited for speeding 15 miles per hour over the limit in Fort Worth. I paid a $220 fine. In September 2021, I was ticketed for using my phone while driving. I paid $180.
Have you ever been involved in prostitution, trafficking, or gambling crimes?
No.
Have you ever tried to overthrow the U.S. government by unconstitutional means?
No, officer.
What is overthrow government?
Remove government by force.
Okay. Have you ever taken part in torture?
No.
Have you ever helped a group that used weapons?
No.
Have you ever been involved with illegal drugs like selling or smuggling?
No, I have never sold or smuggled illegal drugs.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government official to enter the United States?
No.
Have you ever falsely claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No, officer.
Have you ever been a member of any terrorist organization?
No, never.
Have you ever failed to support dependents or pay alimony?
No.
What is alimony?
Money paid to ex-spouse after divorce.
Have you ever given false or misleading information to any U.S. government official while applying for an immigration benefit?
No, never.
Have you ever registered or voted in U.S. elections?
No.
What is registered to vote?
Signed up to vote.
Since becoming a resident, have you called yourself a non-resident or not filed taxes?
No.
What is file tax return?
Send tax form to the government.
What is non-resident?
Not living as a U.S. resident.
Have you ever helped someone enter the U.S. illegally?
No, I have never helped anyone to enter the U.S. illegally.
Have you ever had your fingerprints taken by the police for any reason other than immigration?
No, officer.
Have you ever been part of the Communist Party or totalitarian group?
No, never.
What is Communist Party?
Political group with no private property.
What is totalitarian party?
Party with total control, no freedom.
Have you ever committed a crime or broken the law but not been arrested?
No, I have never committed a crime or broken the law.
Have you ever been called for jury duty?
Not yet.
Have you ever been in court for any civil disputes?
Yes, in 2016, I had a small claims case with my landlord over a security deposit. The judge ordered the landlord to return part of the deposit.
Have you ever borrowed money and not paid it back?
No, I always repay what I owe.
Have you ever signed any contracts in the U.S. that caused problems later?
Yes. Only the landlord dispute in 2016.
Do you owe any overdue taxes?
No, officer.
What are overdue taxes?
Taxes not paid on time.
Have you ever been a prostitute or procured anyone for prostitution?
No, I have never been a prostitute, and I have never procured anyone.
Have you ever supported a dictatorship in the U.S. or your home country?
No, never.
What is dictatorship?
Government with one ruler, full power.
Have you ever received weapons or military training?
No, officer.
Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No.
What is claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
Said you are a U.S. citizen.
Have you ever given false papers to U.S. officials?
No, never.
Have you ever had your driver's license suspended or revoked?
No, officer.
Have you ever taken part in genocide?
No, never.
What is genocide?
Killing a whole race.
Have you ever failed to pay your taxes?
No, I have always paid my taxes.
Can you please show me your tax return?
Yes.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined?
No, I have never been arrested.
Have you ever been removed, excluded, or deported from the U.S.?
No, I have never been deported.
Do you volunteer in your community?
Yes, I volunteer twice a month at a food pantry.
Have you ever sold or transport weapons?
No.
Have you ever been in deportation, rescission, or removal proceedings?
No, officer.
What is rescission?
Canceling legal status.
What are deportation proceedings?
Court process to remove someone.
Do you attend any church, mosque, or community group?
Yes, I attend St. Mary's Catholic Church in Dallas.
Have you ever stopped someone from practicing religion?
No.
Have you ever gambled illegally or got money from it?
No.
What is illegal gambling?
Betting not allowed by law.
Have you ever lied to get public benefits?
No, never.
Do you carry any debt, such as loans or mortgages?
Just a car loan, which is up to date.
Have you ever committed assault?
No, officer.
Have you ever worked in a prison or detention place?
No.
What is detention facility?
Place where people are held like jail, camp.
Have you ever had bankruptcy or financial trouble?
No, officer.
Have you ever killed or tried to kill anyone?
No, never.
Have you ever been a member of an organization against the U.S. government?
No, officer.
Have you ever been involved in kidnapping, assassination, hijacking, or sabotage?
No.
What is assassination?
Killing an important person.
Have you ever harmed someone because of race, religion, origin, group, or opinion?
No.
What is national origin?
Country where a person is from.
Have you ever been asked to lie to the government?
No.
If required, will you do work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes.
What is civilian direction?
Controlled by non-military.
What is work of national importance?
Important work for the country.
Are you unable to take the oath because of disability or mental condition?
No, officer.
Do you understand the oath of allegiance?
Yes.
What is oath of allegiance?
Promise to be loyal to U.S.
If required, will you do non-combatant services in the military?
Yes, officer.
What are non-combatant services?
Military help without fighting.
Do you support the U.S. Constitution and government?
Yes, I do.
If required, will you bear arms for the U.S.?
Yes, officer.
What is bear arms?
Carry and use weapons.
Are you willing to take the oath of allegiance?
Yes.
Thank you for answering honestly. All your answers show good moral character. This is very important for U.S. citizenship.
Thank you, officer.
Next, we will begin the reading and writing portion of your naturalization test. This part checks your ability to read and write in English. For the reading test, I will show you a few sentences, and you will need to read them aloud correctly. For the writing test, I will ask you to write a few sentences that I dictate to you. You need to read and write each sentence accurately. If you make a mistake, I will give you another chance. Do you understand what you will need to do?
Yes, officer.
Okay. Are you ready to begin?
Yes.
Please read the sentence on the tablet.
What was the first U.S. capital?
Great job. You have passed your reading test.
Thank you, officer.
Now we're going to move on to the writing portion. Please write this sentence. New York City was the first capital. Excellent. You have successfully passed both the reading and writing portions of the test.
Thank you so much.
Do you understand your responsibilities as a U.S. citizen, paying taxes, following laws, serving on a jury if called, and supporting your family?
Yes, I do.
Excellent. Do you confirm all your answers today are true and complete?
Yes, I confirm.
Do you have any other questions for me at this point?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Based on today's interview, I am recommending your application for approval. You will receive a notice for your oath ceremony.
Thank you very much.
At the ceremony, you will raise your right hand, take the oath of allegiance, and receive your certificate of naturalization. Congratulations in advance.
Thank you. I appreciate your guidance.
You are welcome and have a great day.